friends, welcome to the series of organic chemistry lectures. Dear friends, today we are going to learn about polymerization. Right friends, let us take one example. N molecules of ethylene upon polymerization gives CH2. N molecules of polymer. This is known as polyethylene polymer. Yes friends, so these are the polymers. Polymers, for example, ethylene monomer upon polymerization, so dibenzoyl peroxide and H nu polymerization takes place to give polyethylene. This is polymer. It is a free radical addition polymerization reaction example. Yes friends, so let us take one by one. Second one is under addition polymerization. Second one is cationic addition polymerization. So let us take isobutene. N moles of isobutene. This is isobutene. What is this? This is monomer. So this polymerization is cationic addition polymerization. Undergoes this polymerization takes place in presence of acid catalyst polymerization. What we are going to get? Yes friends, so we are going to get CH2, CH3, and this is, what is this? Polyisobutene polymer. So this is cationic addition polymerization. It is very simple friends how it undergoes. Let us see the mechanism. So electrophilic addition takes place. Since it is cationic. So what is going to happen? This is going to react with H plus. So what is the intermediate? What we are going to get? First step. Yes, CH3. This side it is going to be added. Yes, Markovnikov's addition. Right? CH3. This is tertiary carbocation. It is highly stable, right? So this side hydrogen will be added first. Then what is going to happen? The molecule which is there in the reaction mixture. Yes, this isobutene, another isobutene will be there. CH2, CH3 and CH3, right? So it is going to react. Now how? Yes, this time also this is going to form this side or this side? Yes, this side. This carbon is going to form CH3 and CH3, right? So this is the carbon CH2, CH3 and CH3. This is carbocation, right? So next, that carbocation also it is going to react with another isobutene, that is CH3 and CH3, right? So this is going to react with this and going to give CH3, 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 CH2, CH3, CH3, and this is also, it is going to react with this and it is going to give CH3 and CH3, right? So it goes on, adds to another N moles of isobutene. So this is a continuous process till the end of the isobutene monomer in the reaction mixture. So it is going to give this polymer. What is this? Polyisobutene polymer. Yes friends. So cationic addition polymerization takes place by electrophilic addition reaction, right? So this reaction undergoes in presence of catalytic amount of acid. So this polymerization upon isobutene, for example, it is a monomer. Upon in presence of acid catalyst, it undergoes it gives polyisobutene polymer, right? So this mechanism follows electrophilic addition reaction mechanism. So since it is electrophilic addition reaction mechanism, the first step is, so it is going to react with acid H plus ions to give this Markovnikov's addition intermediate. This is tertiary carbocation which is stable intermediate. This tertiary carbocation will react with isobutene to give this and this carbocation is going to form n moles of this isobutene, which is there in the reaction mixture. This polyisobutene polymer. This is how we prepare polyisobutene polymer. Next. So next, what is that? Anionic addition polymerization. The next one is anionic addition polymerization. Right, friends? So let us take one example. Acrylonitrile. How to write acrylonitrile? SCNCH. N moles of acrylonitrile upon this anionic addition polymerization. Usually we take base, so anion will be base here. So polymerization, we are going to get, what is the polymer? Polyacrylonitrile. How to write? CH2 CCNCH, polyacrylonitrile. This is polyacrylonitrile. What is this? This is monomer and this is polymer. Right, friends? So polyacrylonitrile is prepared by means of anionic addition polymerization. So let us learn mechanism. What is going to happen? Yes, friends, this is since amine nucleophilic addition. The first step will be nucleophilic addition. How? So it is going to attack here and it is going to come here. So it is going to give the first step, NH2 will be there and this is CH2, right? So C triple hydrogen will be there, nitrile, this is nitrile, and here carbanion. This carbanion is stable. This is stable carbanion. Why? Because presence of this is minus I group, minus inductive affecting group, nitrile group. So it pulls this negative charge towards this so that it can be stabilized like this. Right, friends? So because presence of this, it is going to form this nucleophile. It is going to form this nucleophile. Right, friends? So up to this, it is understood. Next step, what is there? It is very simple. It goes on, adds to this molecule, right? Let us add another molecule. First take CH, right? CN. So for your understanding, I am writing NH2. So when you compare the molecule, N molecules of this acrylonitrile, amine is not shown here because it will have only one amine group at one end, right? So it is going to give NH2, CH2, CCN, SH, then this CH2, C, CH and Cn, right, friends? So this CH will goes on, adds to N moles of molecules. The more number of acrylonitrile molecules I will take, I am going to be added this. For example, if I take 1000 molecules, I am going to end with 1000 molecule chain. Yes, friends, in polymer chemistry we learn in detail about how to know the polymer, weight of the polymer and molecular weight. Yes, there is a calculation. I will explain in that lecture. But at this stage, what are the polymers? Right? So polymerization mechanisms. So under addition polymerization, we have learnt about free radical addition polymers, then cationic. Now it is anionic addition polymerization. So under this polyacrylonitrile, it is a polymer prepared from acrylonitrile monomer, right? So the mechanism follows nucleophilic addition reaction. Since it is a nucleophilic addition reaction, this is a nucleophile. Amine is a nucleophile. Yes, friends, I have explained nucleophiles, electrophiles. Just you can find the link to watch this video. What is nucleophile and electrophile? I will give in below description of this video. Please search in that. So nucleophile, amine is a nucleophile which is going to initiate and going to react to this side, and it is going to form this anion. This anion, this is stable because presence of this nitrile group, which is minus I affecting group. This negative charge is going to react with this, right? So it is going to form this side anion similar to this, and next another one goes on, extends to give polymer. This is a polymer. So what is the polymer? Polyacrylonitrile we are going to get. This is the polymer. Yes friends?